Exercise number 1.1. State which of the following are statement. हमें बताना है जो भी सेंटेंसेस रहेंगे उस सेंटेंस में कौन से सेंटेंस ये स्टेटमेंट है. जस्टिफाई, उसे जस्टिफाई करना है. इन केस ऑफ स्टेटमेंट स्टेट इट्स ट्रूथ वैल्यू. यदि दिए गए सेंटेंस ये स्टेटमेंट है तो उनकी ट्रूथ वैल्यू हमें बताना है. So in this first sentence, number 1, 5 plus 4 is equal to 13. Justification, solution. 5 plus 4 is equal to 13. Now in this example, this is a mathematical expression. So in case of mathematical expression, the condition of assertive sentence is not considered. तो यहाँ पर हम मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन में assertive कंडीशन को कंसिडर नहीं करेंगे. सिर्फ हम यहाँ पे यही चेक करेंगे whether this mathematical expression is completely true or false. Now you know 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. यहाँ पे हमें दिया है 5 plus 4 is equal to 13. So what? It is statement which is completely false. तो क्या लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पे? It is statement which is completely false. And ट्रूथ वैल्यू क्या होगा फिर? कंप्लीटली फॉल्स है तो ट्रूथ वैल्यू इज कैपिटल एफ. x minus 3 is equal to 14. Now friends, in this example the variable x is used. Now this is a mathematical expression. Now for this expression x minus 3 is equal to 14, if we take x is equal to 17, then x minus 3 is equal to 14 is true. But if value of x other than 17, let x is equal to 10, then x minus 3 is equal to 14 is false. So what? For one value of x in this expression x minus 3 is equal to 14, for one value of x, if x is equal to 17, the expression x minus 3 is equal to 14 is true. But if you consider other value, let x is equal to 10, then the same expression x minus 3 is equal to 14 is false. So same expression for one value of x is true and for other value of x it is false. Same expression for one value is true and for other value it is false. So such expression sentence is open sentence, and open sentences are not a statement in logic. Open sentences in logic में statement नहीं होंगे. So it is open sentence, hence therefore it is not अ स्टेटमेंट, ये स्टेटमेंट नहीं होगा।